Hi there, and welcome to the course AWS Developer Essentials. I am really glad that you have here because this course is your entry point into the world of AWS development. And trust me, it's a game changer if you are building cloud native applications or preparing for AWS certificate. This is the first course in the AWS Developer Associate Specialization, and it's designed to give you hands-on experience with core AWS services covering identities, compute, and storage. There are foundational pieces every AWS developer needs to understand and use confidently. So let's get started. I am Mishri Patel and I will be helping you guys with the AWS developer course. In this course, there are three core modules. Module 1 AWS Identity and Networking, Module 2 AWS Compute and Autoscaling, Module 3 is Scalable Storage in AWS. So let me introduce what Module 1 will cover. So in each and every module, there are two lessons. So in Module 1, this module will help you build secure isolated environment in AWS and manage who can do that. This module has two lessons. Lesson 1, Understanding AWS IAM. We will start with the essentials of IAM, AWS Identity and Access Service Management. You will explore how IAM users, groups, and roles work, how to create and assign permissions using policies, and how to enable MFA. And yes, there are demos to practice creating IAM users, roles, and custom policy yourself. Moving to lesson 2, understanding VPC. Here we dive into AWS networking. You will learn the key components of a VPC like subnets, route tables, NATs, and gateways. How internet access works in a VPS. How to connect VPS using peering. How to monitor traffic and apply real world use cases. And of course, we will have plenty of demos to walk you through a building to custom VPS from scratch. Now, let us see Module 2, AWS Compute and Autoscaling. Here, where you get hands-on with the real power of cloud computing. This module has two lessons. In lesson 1, EC2 deep dive here, we will explore how to launch the managed virtual machine using EC2 service of AWS. You will learn about EC2 features and lifecycle, different instances, types, and pricing options, creating and connecting two instances, building AMIs, and cleaning up resources after use. Then, in lesson 2, scaling applications with ASG here, we will show you how to build applications that scale automatically with demand. You will understand how autoscaling groups ASG work, scaling policies, health checks, and alarms, and how to set up autoscaling using a complete hands-on demo. Moving on to Module 3, Scalable storage in AWS. Finally, we will look at how AWS handles persistent, scalable storage. This module has again two lessons. In lesson 1, working with EBS and EFS, you will compare two popular block and file storage services. Learn the difference between them and create and attach EBS volumes to instances. And set up shared storage with EFS for real-world use cases. Then in lesson 2, you will master AWS S3. which is the scalable storage service from AWS. We wrap up with Amazon S3, one of the most powerful services in AWS. You will discover how to create buckets and store data, how to manage access, enable versioning, and set lifecycle policies, and how to use S3 for hosting static websites and backup. Each each topic comes with detailed demos so you can follow along with and build it yourself. So, whether you are a beginner exploring AWS for the first time or a developer preparing for the certification, this course will give you practical and usable skills in real AWS environment. So, thank you for watching my first video and let's get started with the module 1. See you in the next video.